Gorgeous juniper legs, 3-inch fir top, gorgeous background, because Amber's not in this video, so I had to make do. Hey everyone, Todd Corsetti here. Greetings from Idaho. Thought I'd do something a little bit different, bring the outdoors inside with a how-to video on log furniture. You don't need to buy the expensive tenon tools or the lumberjack tools and the different sizes for different logs. I just use a simple adjustable wood drill bit. Pick one of those up for 20 bucks probably. And hole saw kit. This is a Blue Mall, 50 bucks maybe brand new. And you got a multitude of different sizes for different size logs. I actually like the connections better, a little tighter. I don't like that long taper. Get a hole drill slightly smaller than the diameter of the log that I'm going to do the tenon connection on. Clamp the old log in the workhorse. That's it. Take really any kind of saw. It just pops off. Work your way around. Just clean it up a little bit. And it makes a nice tenon connection for your hole in your log or your piece of wood. Take your adjustable bit, adjust it to the size of the mill end, cinch her down. Safety first. All right, for the hole, I like to get a piece of scrap lumber. Get your bit ready, rock and roll. Do a test fit. So I use typically a piece of fir for the seats, for like a bench or a stool. Pretty nice fit. Make a strong connection. Just slather that with a little bit of wood glue and you're good to go. Thing will be bulletproof. I also like this connection without the long taper. It's kind of more of a flush, smooth connection. By the way, this is juniper. A lot of the log furniture I've made is out of juniper. I did make a king-size bed and a nightstand and entertainment center with pine, but love juniper. It's gorgeous. Clean that baby up. Yeah, perfect. It's one of the cross members making a little stool. the female connection. Mortise, I guess. Just clean that baby up a little. Ew. Slather a little wood glue on that and it'll be tight. You drive a tank over it. That's how the stool's going to look. Add a few more cross members. Test your hole on a little scrap lumber. Make sure you got the right fit. As you drill, they tend to kind of compress and can slip in. Get a little too tight. We like it. We want it too tight, too loose. We want it just perfect. Those are the cross members we just put in. A couple more on the back. Square it up a little. I wanted to show the beauty of that juniper. Once you kind of get sanded it with some 220 with a sander, get some of the loose stuff off, bring out those colors, purples and browns and whites and reds, and just makes gorgeous log furniture. Got the little stool done. Put the first coat of urethane on it yesterday. Let it dry. Today I'll rub it down, get a little bit of the loose stuff off, put a couple more coats. So this is the little brother to the big bar stools on the low side of the kitchen island. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. As always, please like and subscribe. It's appreciated. Here's a few other items that I built out of logs over the years. Thanks.